This store has made a cool $201,000. But hey, it's not alone. We got stores with $163,000, $134,000, and $37,000 too. And you know what's crazy? They're all selling this product that nobody talks about. So in today's video, I spill the beans and walk you through launching a similar business. You'll learn the whole shebang, everything you need to know to launch your first product and start making sales. So the actual side hustle, as you've already seen, is selling website templates on Etsy. But not any website templates, but specifically Squarespace templates. If you search for this product on Etsy, you'll notice it has less competition compared to other digital products. So I dug deeper and found this specialized store selling Squarespace templates in various niches and styles. The store's reviews indicate it's raking in loads of cash. To gather more info, I used Allura, a paid tool. The results? Impressive. The store makes around $7.2 thousand per month, with over $201,000 in total revenue. Scroll down and you'll see all their listings. Analyzing the data, one listing alone brings in about $1,260 per month and has generated over $5,145 in total revenue. And hey, there's more than one store making crazy numbers. Now, you're probably wondering how to make money with this product. So I want you now to do some research to understand the product and get as much information as possible. For example, how much they sell these templates, the types of templates offered, photography, blogging, coaching, etc., packaging methods, and more. Once you have all this information, we can move on to the next step. First, head over to squarespace.com and click on Get Started. Choose any template randomly and click on Start With. Create your account and name your site. The goal is not to copy the template exactly as provided. Instead, use it as a base to work from. You'll add existing images, text, and layouts to inspire your own unique template. For design inspiration, visit designinspiration.com, search for web design, and explore the multitude of ideas until you find what resonates with you. Let's move on to the next point. How do the top sellers package their templates? It's similar to how products are packaged in physical stores. They aim to grab attention, but in a digital format. Here's what I've observed from successful sellers on Etsy. Showcasing your Squarespace templates on a laptop or phone mockup works wonders. For example, display the website on a laptop to give customers a real-life preview. You could also include a phone mockup to demonstrate the mobile view. Creating these mockups is easy. You can use websites like smartmockups.com, which offer free options or a subscription for more choices and additional features. Once your template is ready, how do you sell it on Etsy? Well, let's see what other Etsy shops selling Squarespace templates do. They all have an option that asks buyers to provide their email address. To sell templates on Squarespace, follow these steps. Go to your custom template, click on Settings, then Permissions, and invite contributors. When someone buys your template on Etsy, they'll provide their email. Enter their email in the designated field and remember to enable administrator access. The buyer will receive an email from Squarespace like this. When they click Accept Invitation, they'll appear in your list. Click Transfer Ownership to hand over the entire Squarespace site. It's that simple. Remember to duplicate your custom template before each transfer. After selling a template, click the three dots, select Duplicate Website, and go through the ownership transfer process. This way, you retain access to your original template and can duplicate it for future sales. To boost your sales, I highly recommend creating pins on Pinterest. Pinterest has 443 million monthly users, offering a huge opportunity to capture traffic. Create pins showcasing your templates. Here's an example. People use Pinterest for inspiration and research. They search for Squarespace web design and find various templates. Clicking on the pins leads them to the source website. If the template fits their needs, they may purchase it. These pins are simple, a website screenshot on a neutral background. Making money online is possible with hard work and dedication. That concludes today's video. Drop a like and subscribe. Your support means a lot. Thanks for watching. See you soon.